boy. Good for you. $1, 2, $3. Oh, you're gonna piss right there? Good. Here's your baby. Look at you. Come on. They don't love me.
Oh, they love that food though.
It's corn, sweet feed, scratch. A little bit of everything. So yeah, definitely there's $3. A couple of does. That one's still kind of gnarly looking. She's getting healthier though. My babies, I still don't see them.